Let's make our own breakfast with this technology. Have you ever seen this? First, you put the egg inside, and then so there's a guideline here. I cannot see. 2 eggs, 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs. So that is the water level that you need to put the water in. So very very hot water. Let's see. Ni satu baru kan?
Yang dah tua tu.
Ha?
Line bawah tau, bukan line atas. Nanti terlebih masak.
Okay. So we wait until the water inside here flows and disappear. Let's wait. See the water seeping downward. Now see the water gone. Magic. See the water. We just put it inside the water box. So I'm back with it. Wow. Perfect runny egg. Wow. So this will be eaten with some pepper. So now you got a perfect healthy breakfast on the go without doing anything. So the gadget is so good. Oh, see how perfect the egg yolk. It's runny, but it's still solid. I guarantee you, with the use of this device, you're not gonna regret it.